Hey Lit Babes, happy Tuesday. It's Sam and I just wanted to show you guys what we are delivering to the stores this morning. So you know you always get the sneak peek. I'm actually wearing something that we just got restocked in. It is a romper. We also have it in the maxi dress version and a mini dress version, but I love the little romper because especially like in the windy city, you don't have to worry about things like blowing up and getting a little crazy. So, and these are adjustable too, which is super cute. And actually I wore it with the buttons in the front, but you can wear this either way. So the back does not have buttons. So you can literally wear it with the buttons in the back or the buttons in the front. Totally up to you. But I wanted to get started and show you what is hitting stores today. Style by Lit is posting all of the names of the items and the prices that they are in the description box. So just click that and it will drop down and it will be listed in the way that I go through the rack. So you can kind of take screenshots, start your shopping, and we hope to see you guys soon, but let's get started. We have a mix of like different I don't know, like basics, super cute prints, a little bit of everything today. So let's start from here. So up here we have from Free People. How cute is this little tank? It's like a little ivory eyelet tank, adjustable straps and smocking in the back, little pearl detail buttons. So dainty, so just so feminine. I love this. This with like a pair of jeans too, though, I feel like would be a really cute outfit. Next we have, so I have this tank top that actually comes in a few different colors. It's super soft. Just grabbing all of them for you guys. So it's super soft. It's a square neckline. It's not quite a crop top, but it's not super like long either. But I love the nice square neckline. It has a nice like thick strap right here. We have it in this beautiful like periwinkle Cinderella blue color. We have it in this like seafoam green. We have it in black and of course in white. It's just like going to be a great staple tank top for you for the summer over your jean shorts, over your bathing suits, over your denim. I feel like they're so soft and comfy too that they're just gonna be one of your like go-tos in your closet. Next we have this pair of denim from Just Black. They're like a nice medium wash, high rise, just a nice skinny jean. I feel like we haven't had one of these in a while and you guys have been requesting it, so this is for you guys. Just Black, their denim too is really like, it hugs the body nicely. It's nice and stretchy and just like, it's really good on your bum and on your waistline. I love this brand. We also have a nice white version as well. A little bit of distressing right here and on the knees. The other pair did not have distressing. Like this one, nice little white jean. Up next we have, so cute, from Show Me Your Moo Moo. I love little pieces like this. So this is a romper and it's almost like a fun shape. So it looks like very like a square right here, but once you put it on the body, here, I'll just kind of put it on. Once you put it on the body, you actually kind of get the shape because of your chest or your hips. And then you can even put like a belt on it. It's really cute, really flowy, really just like spring summery. Like look at these colors right now. And then the straps are adjustable as well. They tie. So I feel like this is just the cutest little, just throw it on. We all know that rompers are the easiest outfit to put on. So I feel like you guys need this in your life. Up next I have, again, some great basics, especially with like the 90s, 2000s, like all of these bright colors coming back. We just want like the easiest basic, but like pop of color pieces. This is for you. So this bright blue, like cobalt blue crop top. We also have it in yellow. I love this. Look how bright that is. That is a great color. With like all of these tops with just like a nice jean or a jean short, I feel like this is so cute and just so easy. This beautiful purple. Everyone's been loving this purple lately. I have to agree. And then of course a nice white as well, which is so versatile. But these are super cute and at a great price point as well. All right, next we have, this is a beautiful gown. Oh my goodness. So this is a new brand that we're carrying and it's called Black Halo. And I just want you to see this dress. So it's a nice corally, bright orange color. Has a nice like ruching right here. It's very, very well made. A little bit more like higher on the price point, but it's literally like all of our working women, our pageant girls, any woman that wants a really nice dress for like cocktail parties. Now that like life is starting again, I feel like we're gonna really want those pieces that are not just like a wear one and throw it away. Like this is really, really nice, really beautiful. Has even kind of like a little slit here. But this brand, Black Halo, is the brand that like Michelle Obama wears and Meghan Markle wears. So it's really, really nice, really cool, really flattering on the body. You can put on any of these pieces and you're gonna feel so amazing. So we have this dress. I'll just show you the rest of this dress. It's a little V-neck, adjustable straps, and a zipper. Then we also have from the same brand this jumpsuit that I am obsessed with. So it's this beautiful like khaki tan color, full leg. It's almost like a nice wide leg. So once you put this on though, it's gonna hug your chest dice. It's gonna flow and like follow your waistline, and then it's going to hug your hips just in the perfect way and like drape and fall to make your legs look super long, especially if you're wearing heels. Like I could totally picture Megan or Michelle wearing this. So look at the neckline as well. Just so elegant, so beautiful. It has a belt as well that you can really tighten to like flatter your waist. So, and it has pockets. We love a pocket. But this is absolutely stunning. I recommend this to a lot of our like working ladies here, especially coming back into the office. A lot of, I've noticed the traffic has picked up a lot in Boston. The T is busy. Ubers are hard to come by. I just feel like everyone's starting to come back into their office, starting to have more meetings, in-person events. You know, going to get drinks after work is becoming a thing again. This is just one of those pieces I feel like would be absolutely beautiful for work, for your work meetings, for after drinks. And this is a zipper in the front here too, so you can kind of adjust to see like how deep you want it, and also just like easy to use for the restroom. So we all know sometimes rompers can be like easy to put on, but sometimes when you have to go to the bathroom, you're just busy doing all the buttons. So this has a nice clean zipper. Love this. Absolutely stunning. All right, next we have another t-shirt. It's slightly different than the other ones, but it's a nice little crop top, nice tan. I feel like this color is really into all the browns, all the neutrals. Super cute. And then I have a couple of tank tops from Free People. So it's a nice ribbed tank top, and this is like a really sexy but really comfortable like tank top, a crop top. So when you put it on, this is very deep V, but it's ribbed and stretchy and super soft on the inside. It's just super comfortable when you put it on, especially with like high-waisted pants or high-waisted leggings. I feel like this is just like, or even like biker shorts. Like how cute would that be? It's double deep V, super comfortable. I love this. We have it in the green, we have it in the black, and we have it obviously in the white. Let me know which one's your favorite color. All right, next we have, how cute is this? So this, here, let me put it on so you can see. This could technically be a dress. Has little pockets, cute little palm tree pattern. It sits right above my knee, or a few inches above my knee, like this. But I also feel like this with some biker shorts underneath it would be so cute. And that way too, like if you're walking in the city and it's windy, you don't have to worry about things blowing up. That's just a worry of mine. But it has super cute pockets, super flowy, and actually we have shorts that came in with the same print. So you could technically wear these together and do like a long tank with a little French tuck, or you could wear these solo. How cute are these? Nice, free flowing, like a light linen, that cute little belt detail. But I love these. I feel like these are so fun and summery. All right, a few items left. I'll do this one first. So this is another tank, nice easy tank from Free People, ribbed, navy blue. Not as deep of a deep V on the front here, but a V. And then in the back, it just has like nice, thick, comfortable straps. And you can wear these technically with like no bra. So they're supportive and comfortable, but you could wear a bra if you wanted to too, because it does have like a nice thick back. Last, not least, I have these two pairs of super soft, super cute, flared pants. Look at these. Look at this color scheme, this color palette, and this one. Like, we have the cool colors, we have the pop of yellow, but we had a few of these that came through recently. It was like a gray and a white. You guys were obsessed, so we wanted to get some more, just because I keep saying, but like the retro vibe is still hot. It's still a thing right now. So I feel like these are very part of that trend, you know? So these are high-waisted, and then I've said this before, but I'll say it again. A flare is always super comfortable, super flattering on the body type too, because the flare does balance out like your hips and like your body. It is a really flattering look, and also these will make your bum look great as well. So that is what I had for you guys. Actually, I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. One sec. So that is what's dropping today in stores and online. But we did just get our new shoes from Bellini in, and I have some in front of me. I just wanted to do like a little sneak peek, like teaser for you guys, so you can see what is coming soon. Let's see, I'll show you 2 pairs. I have 5 pairs in front of me, but I'll show you 2 to start. So these, I'm obsessed with these. How cute are these? Nice little flat, little braided detail. So cute. I feel like this for brides. Okay, let me show the other one. I'm gonna show you this one to tease you a little bit. We have this one coming in another color as well too, but this is a nice little low heel. But imagine being a bride wearing this, and then like the day's going on, your feet are getting tired. These are the perfect like chic flat, I feel like, for a bride, and obviously for anybody else too who wants to wear white. I feel like it's just crisp and clean, and that square toe and the braided detail. I'm just so obsessed with these. These ones too, so these are going to be coming in another color as well. They're not super high, they're really comfortable, and what's really neat about these two is we tried them on, and you can actually wear them like this, like a nice little slide, like almost like a mule, but then this strap right here is actually a little bit different. It stretches a little bit more, so you can technically wear it like this as well, almost like a slingback. So when you try them on, depending on which way you feel most comfortable, most secure, can be the way that you wear it. But they are, I feel like, meant to be both ways. So actually both of those are white, so I'm gonna show you one more shoe as a little sneak peek. So these ones are super cool too. So these ones are nice. They're so like light, it's so soft. A nice sandal. The whole like dad sandal vibe is in right now, like the chunky sandal. So this one is playing off of that. It's a nice like soft leather that twists right here, a little cute detail. I feel like these with like jean shorts would be so cute. So that's my little sneak peek for you guys. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. We are just getting started this week. We have so many other things coming for you. We have more Bellini shoes. We have more jewelry, more... I don't want to give away too much, but we have so many fun things happening. But thank you guys for watching this unboxing video, and we will see you soon. Thanks, guys.